First of all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of you. So, welcome to Spoken English with Sambhav Jain. And today, we all are gonna present a topic which is my city. And first, I will go with through my introduction. I am Christy Agrawal from class 7th, and today I am here to present a topic, my city. My city name is Bhitarwa, and I think it's a city because it just look like both village and city. And now let's go through this topic. And my city Bhitarwar is a very nice city, and there are all the facilities just like cities. It's a town, but as according to me, I think it's a city because most facilities and most are the things which are in cities are also in my town. My town Bhitarwar is a very nice town because you can be see every type of cultures here, because some people live in small houses and some are live in big houses, and there are also some too many temples also in our city. And it's a very nice because they are everyone knows each other in my town. And there are most facilities, just like there are stationery shops, hospitals, and many things in my city as compared to the other cities. And there is not much pollution here also. And as you see that when you look in the around of the cities, there are mostly big buildings. Not it's not just like here are trees and many things, and not that much pollution here, and not that much dirtiness here. Thank you. That's all over, madam. Now I am gonna invite Ayush.
So hello everyone and all my dear friends. I am Ayush Mistry. So today I am going to tell you about my city. So my city is a beautiful city where I live. So now I will tell you the name of my city is Bhitarwar. So the Bhitarwar is a place where people live with eco-friendly and peacefully. Bhitarwar is a place where you can find historical things, historical castles, and so many things. Where so many kings and so many rulers has succeed the throne. And there is also a castle which is about a king who had lived here and and secured the area for defense area. As I know about that, there is also a Shiv statue in the top of the mountain. As I know that it's basically a plateau area where you can find so many things, like there is so many variety and so many types of things that you can see here. So many people live peacefully, and so many people enjoy with their friends. So many people ride cycles. So many people walk here and there. But it's not like that people are fighting with each other. They are at my city. People live peacefully and with enjoyment and happily. Okay, and let I tell you more thing about my city. As I live in my city, that it has so many areas to visit. That so many people think that my city has less area, but my city has so many area that is in the upper side of the mountain. And you can also visit my the last side of my city, where you can relax yourself as a free body, where you can relax your mind, you can fresh your mind. There are so many small cities, or small city or villages or rural area nearby my city, where people make their farm and always go to sell their resources that they have collected in the whole year, where we can see the humanity and biodiversity. And there are so many species of animal are there. Like you can find camel, you can find sheep, you can find cow, you can find a dog, street dog, or home dog, that you can also find. That there are so many also or variety, so many more variety that you can also find here. That so many people have not described here, that but I know there are so many more variety or snakes that wander here and there. That is the beauty of my city. Thank you. So now I will call Harshit Yadav.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Harshit Yadav and today I am representing a topic, my city. So I am starting my topic that my city name is Bhitarwar and it's a beautiful city. In it there are so many historical places, just like a river Parvati and a fort, in this city the people live peacefully and lovely. This city is the this my city is the best city. I think it is the best in my opinion, and I love my city. And in my city all the peoples all the peoples live very happily and together. And in the city they in my city there are so many fields where people grow their crops, and because of that the crop is in my city the rice is produced more, and rice and wheat produce more. And because of crop production in my city there is decreases of pollution. And my city is the best city in my opinion. That's all for my topic. Thank you. Next I am calling Harshit Agrawal.
Hello everyone, I am Harshit Agrawal and today I am here to represent the speech on my city. So let's start. So first of all, I want to tell you what is city. A city is a place where you can live, and all the cities are very beautiful and they are looking so attractive. And now I will tell you about my city. My city name is Bhitarwar, and Bhitarwar is a very beautiful place. Here you can see many historical places, like you see a mountain. On the top of the mountain you can see a historical temple, Lakshmangarh. I also visited here. There is a big stupas and a statue of Mahadev. And now I will tell you about the persons of Bhitarwar. So the persons of Bhitarwar are talk very politely and they are very honest. You can take an example, like some years ago a flood has come in the Bhitarwar, so all pupils live together, and some pupils help to other who are stuck in the flood. So you can take example. There are so many greenery in Bhitarwar, and there is no pollution. And there are so many big buildings, and there are so many food. There are so many restaurants where you can stay and eat food, and so many hotels also. And there are so many famous foods of Bhitarwar that you can eat and you can enjoy with your friends and family. So I want to say, if you want to live in Bhitarwar, so you can live very easily. And there are so many teaching institutions, like our Sambhav institutions also located in Bhitarwar. And there are so many good institutions in Bhitarwar. You can learn very easily. And that's all about my topic. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Paridhi and today I am here to present a speech on my city. My city's name is Bhitarwar. The district of Bhitarwar is Gwalior. There is so much greenery in Bhitarwar that make it so beautiful. There are so many coaching institutes in Bhitarwar and so many good tutors. The first coaching institute in Bhitarwar that is smart is our classes, that's name is Sambhav Smart Classes. It makes a very good city for it makes a very good it makes Bhitarwar a good city for education. There is less pollution in my city than other cities. There is also a riverfront in my city. that is also very beautiful. The citizens of my city are very polite and honest. That's all about my topic. Now I am inviting Shrey.
Good evening, all of you. I am Shrejan, and today I am here to present a topic which is my city. So first, I will tell you about my city and where is it located. So my city name is Bhitarwar, and it is located on the district Gwalior, and it is very famous city in the district Gwalior, and it is very popular for their historical places. Like there is a one famous fort which is very historical, and there is a river which is also very historical. And if you visit a temple Mahadev, it is very famous and historical temple which is comes on our Bhitarwar. If you go on food on Bhitarwar, so it is very tasty and delicious. Many peoples like the food of Bhitarwar. And if we go on religion, so there are mainly three religions comes in Bhitarwar, like Hindu, Jainism, and Muslims. They celebrate together their own festivals. And if we go on the earning sources of Bhitarwar, they earn by their own business, farming, and their own resources. And Bhitarwar is also famous for their study, and there are many famous schools are also comes in Bhitarwar, like SITM Public School, RA International Public School. There is a one government school also which is high secondary school. And if you go on coaching institution, so our coaching institution is the first institution of digital classes which is recognized by Sambhav Jain. Thank you. That's all about me. Now I want to call Naitik Agarwal.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Nitya Agrawal. Today my topic name is my city. My city name is Bhitarwar. Bhitarwar is a beautiful and clean and green city. There are many historical places and rivers. One historical river is Parvati River, and when see the Lakshman Ghat, and there are many institutes, schools, and parks, and etc. There are so many shops. There are so many temples in Vitarbha, like Gulsul Temple and Hanuman Temple and Lagasuti Temple and etc. There are many gardens in Vitarbha, like Om Sai Garden, Krishna Lodge, and etc. That's all about my topic. I invited my Isika Soni.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. I am Ishika. Today I present my topic. My topic name is My City. My city is very beautiful. I live in Bhitarwar. My city name is Bhitarwar. There are many things, and it has a river, mountain, and good education, schools, and smart classes like Sambhav smart classes, and etc. And there are many things to visit like park, garden, and many more. And Bhitarwar is not city, but in my opinion this is city because there are many buildings and hospitals and cafe and many more things. Citizens are give respect to each other and help them. And my city is green city. Thank you. I am inviting Siddharth.
Evening everyone, I am Siddharth Agrawal. Today I am presenting my topic, my city. My city. My city name is Bhitarwar. There are many rivers, mountains, etc. Bhitarwar is a very beautiful city. Bhitarwar persons are very good. Now I want to call. I am inviting Arnav.
Good morning, good morning, everyone. My name is Arnav Agrawal. Good morning, good evening, everyone. My name is Arnav Agrawal. I am here to present a topic, my city. So, my city is Bhitarwar. Bhitarwar is a very beautiful city. In Bhitarwar, many things are there, like mountains, rivers, lakes, farms, and etc. And Bhitarwar is very beautiful because there is all facilities like stationery shops and general stores and many things are there. I am living ward number 13. I am inviting Kus.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Kushau. Today I am representing a topic on, as you can see the background, my city. There are many facilities in my city. My city name is Bhitarwar. There are many temples in my city like Hanuman Temple, Goleshwar Temple, Diyadai, etc. There is a famous river in my city and its name is Parvati River. And we always immerse the idol of Ganesh ji on every Ganesh Chaturthi. There are many shops, parks, temples and institutes. For example, Sambhav Smart Classes and many institutes in my city. Thank you. That's all about my topic. At last, I am saying that my heart belongs to my city. Thank you. I am inviting Yashraj now.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of you, and respected sir. I am Yasraj Yadav, and I am here to present a topic on, as you can see here, my city. So first of all, I want to tell what is the name of my city. My city name is Bhitarwar, and there are all facilities in Bhitarwar that are needed for every person, and many person comes here and visit many historical places. There are many historical places in Bhitarwar like Dhumeshwar. Many people say that Dhumeshwar temple was built in only one night, and it is very beautiful city because it is not that much polluted and that much polluted than other city, and it is very beautiful city. I love my city, and all the people of Bhitarwar is calm, and many people are honest of Bhitarwar, and Bhitarwar is not that much polluted than the other cities. That's all. I want to invite Aradhya.
So first of all, good evening everyone. I am Aradhya Agrawal and I study in grade 6. So today I am going to present a topic which is my city. So I live in Bhitarwar, and we cannot say that Bhitarwar is a village or it is a city. It looks like both, and it's called a town. The mixture of city and village is called a town. And Bhitarwar is not that much big, but our citizens' heart is big as a planet, and we all live here together as a family. We all are not of same region, but we all are citizen of Bhitarwar only. Now I would like to call Harsh.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Sarswadan Bhargav. Today I am here to presenting my topic on my school. My school name is Bhitarwar. It is a very best city. According to me, it is a town, but I like this because it is a city, and there are many historical temples in in my city. That's all. Now I am inviting Swans.
My name is Sivansh Lakshkar and I am here to presenting a topic of my city. My city is a Bitarwar. It is a city just like a town. Just like a town. In my city, there are many things: schools, hospitals, and college, and etc. All people in morning. All people walk in a garden and every students are swing and playing and swing and playing and I love my city. That's all. And I am.
Good evening to all. I am Anvish Shodhya. Today I am here to present a topic name is my city. So my city is Bhitarwar district, Gwalior. It is very beautiful city. In my city there are so many historical places and so many historical rivers. My city is very beautiful because all the statues and all the in my city there are so many beautiful things. My city is very beautiful because the environment of my city is very good. All the pupils live together and help everyone. In my city, all the people celebrate all the festival together with politeness. Thank you. That's all from me. Now I want to invite Krishna.
Good evening to all. My name is Krishna and I am presenting my topic my city. My city name is Bhitarwar and it is located in MP. And there are so many facility in Bhitarwar. And there are so many schools, hospital, college, medical. And the most famous temple in Bhitarwar is Goleshwar Mahadev temple. And there are so many parks and the MLA of my city is Mohan Singh Rathore, and the Bhitarwar city is connected with all the near villages and towns, and the government hospital and Nagarpalika is also available in city, and the people do very familiar and the mostly people do business and farming. That's all. Now I am inviting Samyak.
Hi, I am Samyak Jain. I am here to represent a topic that is my city. My city name is Bhitarwar. It's a very beautiful city because there are all facilities that is needed for a person. Many people comes here to visit many places just like Dhumeswar, Naxmalgarh, etc. It's a very attractive city because it's not a more polluted city comparison to others. That's all. Now I want to invite Divya.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Divyansh. I was from class 9. So today's topic is my city. So my city name is Bhitarwar, and I think Bhitarwar, it is not a city. It is like a town and village both, and its nature like a village, like simplicity, and its behavior in it, and there in Bhitarwar people nature is also good with each other, and there are many historical places in the Bhitarwar like Bhitarwar forts, old villages, and temples. Like temples, the Goleshwar Dham is the most famous temple in the Bhitarwar, and there are most shops and hospitals and tuitions is also available in Bhitarwar, and the most famous tuition is the English spoken by Sambhav Jain, and I also study in this coaching, and it is the first smart classes in the Bhitarwar, and that's all about my topic. Now I want to invite Purvi.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Purvi Soni. So today my topic is my city. My city is very beautiful. My city name is Bhitarwar. There are many things to visit in Bhitarwar, like tree, temple, temple, mountain, river, etc. Thank you. Now I am calling Garv.
Good evening to all. My name is Gaurav. I study in 8th standard. Today I am presenting a topic of my city. My city name is Vitarwar, and Vitarwar is a very beautiful city, and so many temples in Vitarwar like Boleshwar temple, Lakeshwari temple, Hanuman temple, and etc. There are so many things we can see in Vitarwar, like we can see so many colonies and a hill of Vitarwar. And in Vitarwar, very festival celebrate very goodly, and there are so many school in Vitarwar like SITM school, ADM school, etc. And two river in Vitarwar like Parvati river and Diyadhai river. And so many shops in Vitarwar like shoe shop, clock shop, etc. There are so many restaurant and food shop. I love my city very much. Now I am invited Pratham.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Pradyumna. I live at Vitarva. Today's topic on my city. My city is a very beautiful city, and it is many beautiful things. And many temples in our Vitarva. And Vitarva is many temples like Bhumeshwar Dham and Goleshwar, most awaited temple of our city, and many park in and fields city our city, and that's all.
So thank you all of you, and I'm gonna conclude this topic. And everyone said a lot of about our city, Bhitarwar. Everyone said about the Okay, and now everyone said about the temples of Bhitarwar, some famous places, some rivers also, and some schools also. And now you are to comment your city in the comment section. And thank you, like this video, comment and share, and thank you, subscribe our video.